guys, we are almost in Athens, and we had a pretty short road trip from Nafplio to Athens, and it was mostly highway, so everything was good. We hurried a little bit up because in 1 hour I have an university course that I have to arrive because I have a project to present. But I am very happy that our host lets us check in earlier, and she is very, very nice. Hi guys, so yesterday we went to Acropolis and we got a free entrance because we are residents from a country within the European Union and we are under 26, so we have free entrances to museums and to including Acropolis. It was very, very beautiful. I am attaching a lot of videos from it in my channel in this video. We loved it so much, and afterwards we went to a restaurant. Initially we wanted to go to another two restaurants, but they were both closed, so we chose random one that had good reviews, and it was such a nice experience. The food was amazing, and also the chef there was Romanian as us, and she came to greet us and to talk to us, and then she gave us free wine because we are also Romanians, and it was so nice. The waiters were so nice to us, and they were so funny, and I came home from that restaurant with a big smile on my face. I was so happy, and that's how the day ended. Today I'm really not sure where we are going. I am right now creating an itinerary, and I will show you in this video or in another video what we'll explore today.